Now that the tree is finally up, the rest of the house needed a tiny Christmas reset. Nothing crazy, just the small things that make everything feel a little more magical and Christmas-ish. And so I'm doing a tiny Christmas reset today. I started with the living area because it looked lived in, not messy, just not festive. So I reset the sofa, fluffed the pillows, folded the blankets, and wiped down surfaces, and vacuumed also the sofa and surfaces. You know, when you have a toddler, everything is everywhere. Small resets, but instantly it felt lighter. I use these sofa covers because I have a toddler, and it's easy to maintain my sofa because I can easily wash them, like quickly wash them when they get dirty and they dry so fast. I don't need to remove all the covers, but there I still have stain. I think something spilled there. It's already broken from quite a lot of washing, but it's fine. It keeps me from always washing the sofa. Darling?
Yes?
Don't forget snack.
Yes.
Bye. Bye, safe journey.
Such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow. Lighting.
Do the same for this other side. If you're a mom tired of always cleaning up your sofa, then I would 100% recommend this sofa covers, washable, removable, easy. It's not aesthetic pleasing, but for me, it works just fine. If you can get high quality, well and good. If you want it to be more aesthetic pleasing, maybe a higher quality one would work, but for me, these ones just work fine.
Outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight.
This area here, the kitchen, is where we live the most, so a small tidy makes such a big difference. I cleared the counters and the cabinets, wiped them down, and added a tiny touch of Christmas, just enough to feel festive without clutter.
to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else.
It's funny how it's always the tiny resets that make the biggest difference. Like just adding this advent wreath here just changed the mood to Christmas.
I pray it will never end. Would you like to be here too? It's Christmas, outside snow glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire.
And that's it for today Christmas reset. Nothing overwhelming, just a simple refresh to make our home feel warm and cozy again and Christmassy, if that's a word. Yeah.
Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door.